Yes, I had to use again my home office. Mache, Bache, wo liegt Bad Solgau? I thought it's Baden-Württemberg. Was not, no. Eva. Adam and Eva. Adam and Eve. Steve Naive. Oh, no, native. Jekyll and Hyde. No need to hide. Now Cross Mountain again. Yes, so applause and the canteen and Kiel and seven a whole meal. What was the price of the district court in Manhattan South? Don't know. Top floor. If there was a terrace, no time, no budget, not in my priority as interest. Excellent work. Yep, so what's left? What was there? When? Why is there no documents? Hey, hello Regensburg, proud of your instruments too. Yeah, a short, limited amount of devices, numbered, may give a good place, or place, depends. And the social court knew a König and a higher court, Obergericht, overcourt even maybe, a beggar butler. So they had complaints. I had no defender. No. There was also no attorney in that regard. Just another party. I had my complaints regarding a Günther protocol. Not only there. What was about the unnatural cold temperature in between of my cell phone key? What was about the umbrella affair? Same place. What about the observing cameras? Basel, Switzerland. And this exchange of COs, sometimes from Germany to Switzerland, sometimes from Switzerland to, was there Siemens somehow named too. And Hen IG, or Hen, Han, Hun, Chung, Phil, Fette, or Feline, unknown family name, Justin Katz, so what, Musikrechte,